Hello! Today I'm really excited to talk about my September 2018 beauty box by Beauteque. The box is a little bit banged up, but I'm not too worried because I've been getting this box for 6 months, and even though the box usually comes kind of banged up, nothing has ever been broken on the inside, which has been pretty cool. It's a sturdy box. So each time I have a little sticker and they're really cute. I wish I could save them, but they're really stuck on the tissue paper. So there's always an insert. It says this month is back to self-care, and a little blurb about why they chose that theme for this month. And my favorite part is a full color page with each of the items in the box and some descriptions and how to use them and tips in English. So the first item looks like a body peeling mist. Peeling and moisture. Sprinkle lightly and rub gently. That eliminates dead skin. So that sounds pretty exciting for exfoliating. This is a jewel modeling mask. Glam Gold gel and natural complex powder. You're going to mix it together and apply it to your face for what looks like a pretty cool mask experience. There is 2 options for these in the box. It looks like I've got the aquamarine. I wish I would have got the little panda bear, but this is probably good too. Every time it comes with a mask, it looks like this one is the Ultra Night Leaf Mask. You put these flower petals on your cheeks. Then the second part is this cream that you put on overnight. Raspberry vinegar hair cap. Put it on wet hair for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse. That's pretty cool. I don't often get hair products in this box. Last thing is a bamboo charcoal fiber mitt for exfoliating your body. Every time they usually put some kind of tool like a cognac sponge or a cookie puffer. This time is a body mitt, which is pretty neat. I got a pink one. I'm sure they come in a variety of colors. Overall, I really like this box. I usually get it for the skincare items, which usually includes mask, and this time has a neat little eye stick, but also it's nice to get some body care products and some hair care products. Occasionally it has makeup. This month it didn't, but it kind of doesn't go with the theme. So overall, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products for $24.99. I will definitely keep getting this box, and I look forward to seeing you next month.